Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will help you to remove the new ransomware that is called Coinlocker. Coinlocker is a special ransomware which is unfortunately able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. The ransomware called Coinlocker is called like that because it encrypts files and then it adds a special extension to the files after they get encrypted. Before the ransomware actually attacks the files, you are able to open files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. But unfortunately, pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and it adds a special extension to the file. When you try to open this specific file, you get the message saying that you cannot open this type of file. In fact, all these files are changed into some application extension, but still you cannot open them. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay the ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. It is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting your data recovered. And this is a tremendous amount of money, 100 bitcoins, which is a lot. But there is no guarantee that you would get your files restored even if you make this decision to pay the ransom. So don't pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable anti-ransomware called Combo Cleaner. To download it, you will need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be modified by that ransomware. So get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching your system with its help. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will begin researching and investigating your system. Well, Combo Cleaner scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may also depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on how powerful the computer is in general. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. This is the best solution to keep your data protected and to keep your computer free of any other malware.